Students can enroll into your course, or you can register students for your course. Unless your university uses Canvas, I recommend that you have students enroll into your course. For students to enroll, you just need to give them your course ID and your registration key if there is one. You can find this information by clicking the Show Course ID and Registration Key on your course homepage. All students need to do then is go to Course Options, Register for Course, and then type in the course ID and registration password you gave them. While not recommended for adding all your students due to the time commitment it would take, if a student runs into issues, you can individually add that student by clicking the Add a Student button and typing in their email and name. It's important, though, that the email you type in is the email that they used for creating their JustInfer account. I recommend you encourage students to use their university email if they have one when making their JustInfer account to keep records consistent. If you're using Canvas, you can download a course roster following the steps on this outline. After you complete that, you can efficiently enroll all of your students by clicking the Sync Canvas Roster button and attaching the CSV file you got from Canvas. 2 notes. 1, the email the students created their JustInfer account with must match the email according to Canvas, or else they won't yet have access to your course. And 2, because of the need for exact email matching, if your school gives multiple interchangeable emails to the same person, for example, janedoe@umail.school.edu and janedoe@school.edu, I recommend you use the Remove Subdomain option and encourage your students to make their JustInfer accounts using their emails without the subdomain. That concludes everything for registering students into your course.